As a leader in the cruise ship industry, Carnival Corporation and PLC established this sophisticated training complex with a commitment to offering and delivering the finest maritime training experience anywhere. The Center for Simulator Maritime Training, or Csmart, is the new cutting-edge maritime training complex located just outside Amsterdam, in Almere, the Netherlands. This multi-million-dollar training center is dedicated to providing classroom participants an extraordinary maritime training experience. State-of-the-art full-mission bridge simulators and highly qualified instructors offer bridge teams from around the world the unique opportunity to test and advance their seafaring skills when it comes to critical thinking, vital problem-solving, ethical decision-making, and, of course, confidence. Csmart offers its participants 2 full-mission bridge simulators, as well as 6 part-task bridge simulators. Various Csmart courses are fully accredited by the UK Maritime and Coast Guard Agency, as well as numerous other regulatory bodies. At the center of the complex, you will find 2 full-mission bridge simulators that are equipped with all sophisticated controls, including the latest integrated navigation systems, alarms, and communication devices found on modern cruise ships. A series of high-powered computers reproduce any and all sea and weather conditions for our participants to navigate through. These full-mission bridge simulators also provide our participants with the task of cruising into some of the world's major ports and most visited cruise destinations. The visual field on each of the full-mission bridges are projected by 7 high-definition projectors onto a 240-degree circular screen with a diameter of 16 meters. These major bridge simulators are also equipped with the NACO 65.5 Integrated Navigation Systems, or INS, as well as a fully integrated emergency management system. At Csmart, it's imperative for us to offer participants the latest simulation and training equipment available, always ensuring that the equipment is similar to the equipment on board modern cruise ships. Our 2 full-mission bridge simulators offer exercises with complete berth-to-berth operations. In fact, these exercises include the realistic shift of the bridge operation to and from bridge wings for the realistic berthing and unberthing of a cruise liner. The primary bridge has an innovative cockpit design with 2 multi-pilot workstations for the navigator and co-navigator, as well as an additional 2 multi-pilot supervisor stations for the captain and pilot. The secondary bridge, which is the same size, is designed to replicate the bridge of a modern cruise ship.
When we decided to put together a training center, the first thing we needed to do was put together a team of experts, the world's leading experts in the marine training field. Together with that, we needed to build modern bridges that the officers and ship's captains are operating on today, and put all that into a simulator environment. So we needed the most modern simulators available.
The Csmart Training Complex also offers 6 part-task simulators. These smaller systems are similarly equipped with fully integrated NACO 65.5 bridge systems, which allow participants to use these simulators in 3 important ways. First, for pure instrument training. Secondly, these simulators are utilized as planning stations. And finally, trainees can take advantage of this system in full ship handling simulations. The part-task simulators are also used to train participants when it comes to ECDIS. In fact, the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency in the UK has accredited the use of our part-task simulators when it comes to the training and certification of ECDIS. Each part-task simulator is equipped with 3 40-inch LCD monitors for a realistic and outstanding visual experience. As is the case with our full-mission simulators, the lifelike visual environments offered to participants include major cruise ports, numerous mathematical ship models of various cruise vessels, the ability to change sea and weather conditions, and the capability to include ship traffic, aircraft, and marine life.
The essence and the purpose of the interlocking is basically the ability to connect the 6 part-task bridges that we have for type-specific training with the 2 full-mission bridges. In this way we can create scenarios with up to 8 bridges operated by 8 different crew.
Control room at Csmart is where we create exercises and where we control various things such as the environmental settings, where we can set rough weather, we can change the visibility, and we can also introduce malfunctions to the ship that the crew is training on. We can jam rudders, engines, thrusters, and then of course we also control the traffic. Ships are in the vicinity. We can do the VHF communication and the internal communication as well.
At Csmart, there are 2 debriefing rooms also equipped with the integrated video matrix system. This allows instructors to replay any simulator monitor or video channel. This interactive review offers instructors and participants outstanding debriefing capabilities, as well as the opportunity to examine and study various port designs. Csmart's exceptional faculty represents a rich and diverse body of professionals that average more than 25 years of experience in the shipping and maritime industries. In fact, our veteran faculty and skilled staff have served as officers, directors, consultants, and lecturers at major European maritime academies. Our staff can also provide related services, including port feasibility studies and risk assessment, onboard operational reviews, as well as course follow-ups.
When a customer contacts us and asking for a course, our first question is, what is the purpose of this course? What do you need? And taking into consideration their existing procedures, Csmart then develops and comes with improvements for new procedures. And that will be the backbone of the course.
One of our aims at Csmart is to move the captain from the traditional operator, leader in front of his team to a position behind the team, acting as a leader, leaving the operation to the officers.
The courses and services offered by Csmart are clearly outlined and defined on our website. Please visit our site for a complete and comprehensive look at our curriculum.
Ships industry, and particularly the cruise industry, has seen the introduction of more and more complex systems on the vessels. And none of the officers is basically trained at college or during their previous training in the use of the type-specific instrument. By coming here and start to familiarize with the instruments that will be used on board, it's a great advantage on their side.
Csmart's ongoing mission is to be the industry leader in delivering high-quality professional maritime training. Our courses are designed to improve the participants' competency in all aspects of incident management, and our instructors are there with the necessary experience every step of the way. For us, our passion is clear. We embrace the challenge of working with the sea, and always working Csmart.